Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be taking a deep dive into Synapse, ticker symbol SYN. Synapse Protocol is an interoperability protocol that allows you to safely send and swap assets between different layer 1 and layer 2 blockchains. Synapse Protocol is a newer altcoin, and I do believe that it is primed for some big upside here in the short term. So in this video, I'll be going over what Synapse is, as well as we'll take a look at the price chart and go over the trading plan to actually make money from Synapse here in the short term. So if that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the end of this video. Without further ado, it's time to get started and let the gains be with you. So Synapse Protocol is currently trading for 81.5 cents with a market cap of $114 million. Now when it comes to the tokenomics, currently there are 139.7 million SYN tokens in circulation out of 192.7 million. So there are still some tokens set to be unlocked, but I am not too concerned about that. As we are now in an uptrend, this is a bullish asset. I'll be explaining why in this video. I believe that this thing is primed for more upside here in the short to mid-term, as well as the overall crypto market. But I do think that this altcoin is going to make some noise and turn some heads, which is why I am making this video on it today. Now, when it comes to where Synapse is traded, it is on most of the major exchanges out there, from Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, Kraken. You can also buy it on all of the decentralized exchanges, such as Uniswap. So it is very easy to actually get your hands on SYN if you do want to do so. Now, of course, everything I say in this video is not financial advice. It is for information and educational purposes only. But with that being said, let's talk about what Synapse SYN actually is. So as I said in the intro, it is an interoperability protocol designed to safely and securely send assets and data between blockchains. You can transfer and swap your assets across many different layer 1, layer 2, and different sidechain ecosystems out there. So in reality, Synapse is very similar to what layer 0 is building in terms of an interoperability blockchain world with many different bridges out there, such as Stargate Finance. Synapse Protocol is very, very similar. It allows you to send your tokens, your crypto, across different blockchains. And the ecosystem of Synapse is made up of 6 different parts. They have the bridge technology, the cross-chain automated market maker, allowing you to swap tokens across different blockchains. They have an aggregator of cross-chain communication. They have the SYN token. They have the Synapse chain itself. And they have an optimistic security approach, or optimistic security approaches, I should say, to actually keep the bridge safe, because bridges are the most exploited gear or plumbing system in crypto that I can say, right? The infrastructure, bridges get exploited the most. In 2022 alone, there was over $500 million stolen from different bridge protocols because of security reasons. And Synapse has not had issues with that, which is a very promising thing to see as we do head into the future here. Now, when it comes to Synapse ecosystem, they support 18 layer 1 and layer 2 chains. They have all of the main ones, and we can take a look at their website here, as well as their application, and take a look for yourself. This is not going to be a full tutorial video on how to actually bridge and swap on Synapse. If you guys would like me to make a video on that, a tutorial, I can certainly do so, but you can watch my layer 0 tutorial videos, and that's going to teach you how to send assets between blockchains without any issues, and you're also going to get yourself set up for a huge potential airdrop with that layer 0, with my layer 0 tutorial videos. So I'll leave a card right here and leave those videos down in the description below, the links to them. You can watch them if you haven't already. But again, Synapse, very similar to what layer 0 is building. These are all of the different blockchains that you can actually use for Synapse. And then when it comes to the use cases of Synapse Protocol, they have the cross-chain exchange. It allows you to swap any asset on any blockchain using Synapse's token swaps. They have the universal money markets, swap any asset on any blockchain, again using Synapse's token swaps, and also multi-chain gaming. Okay, so they're going to be big when it comes to gaming in the future. So that is something to certainly look forward to. And also artificial intelligence. This is sending data between different blockchains. So this does have some kind of connection to AI. We know that AI is a huge mega trend in the upswing right now. So again, more positive stuff added to Synapse Protocol data sheet. Now we can go ahead and take a look at their bridging protocol. Very simple. You connect your wallet, You choose what you want to send, what asset to what different blockchain, and then you go ahead and you hit bridge. I've showed you how to do this many times on many different protocols out there. Again, if you want a tutorial on Synapse, I can make that for you, no problem. Leave a comment down below. But if you need something to get cross-chain bridged right now, go watch my Layer 0 tutorial videos and you'll learn exactly how to do that. They also have the swap function here. They have the pools function, allowing you to earn some APY, some interest on your assets if you do want to do so. Over here on the Binance Smart Chain, you can see you earn around 13% on stablecoins. So there are ways to make passive income through Synapse through adding liquidity and also staking LP tokens. And now if you click on the Explorer tab up here on the website, it will take you to their info sheet and their Explorer site, and we can take a look at all of the data when it comes to Synapse and what's going on. So Arbitrum and Ethereum are the main chains you can see used for Synapse. This is today's volume. $1.82 billion was transacted on Arbitrum, and on Ethereum $1.19 billion was transacted. And then the Binance Smart Chain is the third here with $671 million of volume. So this is big volume. People are using Synapse. Big people with a lot of money are using Synapse because they trust it, right? It's a good bridge. It hasn't really been exploited, and it has a promising future as well. And now the main thing here to look at is the all-time stats up here. All-time volume, $40.88 billion, and the fees, $24.3 million in bridge fees have been generated. So this protocol is making money, all right? So this is just a brief overview of what Synapse is. Now let's go ahead and proceed to the price chart. Also, you can take a look if you want to stay up to date with what this project is doing. You can follow them on Twitter. You can see they have 62.1 thousand followers on Twitter. So not huge, but they definitely have a community here built, which is another important thing because marketing is very important. If nobody knows about your crypto project, nobody's going to buy it. The token price isn't going to go up. Talking about token price going up, let's take a look at the price chart here. So starting off my technical analysis, I always like to look at the higher time frames first and then zoom into the lower time frames. So SYN here on the weekly price chart, we can see that a nice double bottom on the weekly has actually formed, and this support level over here at 62 cents held very well, and we saw a big move off of that this week actually. And you can see where price pumped to up here at around 83 cents. This orange line, it found resistance. And on the weekly price chart, we can go ahead and take a look that the same level of 83, 84 to 85 cents, this was a huge resistance level back here in the summer of 2022, exactly a year ago from now actually. This was a level where Synapse was accumulating underneath, and then when it broke the 83 cents level, it went for a huge run all the way up to $2. Okay, so this is definitely a significant level over here at 83.5 cents, and the fact that price is still underneath it right now tells me that there's still upside to be had on SYN, and there is money to be made by trading this asset. Now it's pretty clear to see after 83.5 cents is successfully flipped from resistance to support, the next obvious closest level that in this case would be used as a take profit level is going to be up here at $1.04. If we just analyze this chart, what's happening on the weekly time frame, going back in time to May of 2022, during the bear market when Synapse had its free fall, it found support right here at the $1 level, specifically the $1.04 level. Okay, it bounced and then it breached through, found that bottom, and then we talked about what happened after it found the bottom, right? It went up to $2 from a low of around 44 cents. And now here we are, we're underneath 83.5, we're underneath $1. You can see over here back in April of 2023, the $1 level was used as resistance. So this will be a profit target, $1.04, okay? Really up to this wick high here. This is at $1.08. Okay, so this is all looking at the weekly. Let's go ahead and drop this down to the daily chart and get a better look at exactly what's going on, and also talk about what to do in terms of entries, because that's very important, right? You don't want to be buying the top. You want to get a good entry and maximize your profit potential on any given trade. So on the daily time frame, Synapse, we talked about the trend line already. We can also see in the daily time frame a very obvious inverse head and shoulders. This is a bullish breakout pattern, and in this case, the neckline of the breakout was up here at around 78 to 80 cents. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and move this to here at 75 cents. This makes more sense. discounting the wicks, right, just going off of the candle bodies, 75 cents was the neckline breakout of the inverse head and shoulders. So for an entry, really that's what we want. We want a retest of the breakout. And as you can see on the daily time frame, we really haven't had a retest yet. So ideally, this upcoming week, we get a dip to the 75-cent level. Also, what we can do is we can pull a fib. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. Let's pull a fib from this wick high down to the most recent low before the big move, like so. And we can take a look and see that we have our 50% Fibonacci retracement over here at 76.6 cents. And let's drop this down to a 4-hour. So some pretty interesting stuff here. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement holding as support. If this continues to hold as support, that just lets you know that we're in a very strong uptrend, okay? So buying here on the 38.2 isn't going to give you the worst entry because you're targeting $1.04. So from current price to $1.04, you're looking at a gain of 27.5%, which is not bad at all. Now, if we do get that dip to the level I was talking about, 76.5 cents is going to be an entry price level. And then over here, golden pocket makes sense over here at 72 cents. That's the level we were just talking about. Okay, so not financial advice, but if you want to know where I would enter, really between 76 and 70 cents are going to provide some good entries for SYN. Again, the overall market is now in an uptrend. Bitcoin's looking bullish, ETH looking bullish as well. So the altcoins dips are for buying, okay? So you can buy it now if you want to, of course. I'm not telling you to, but ideally you wait for these levels to get hit starting this upcoming week if you're interested in actually trading this. And if we do see some kind of crazy liquidation event where we see some huge red candles across the board, and the 62-cent support level gets retested, that is a clear, obvious buy at 62 cents. If price does revisit this level, which at this point, I'm not sure it does, but if it does, that's a clear, obvious buy. Okay, and then you ride that up to $1.04 and you make some pretty good change on that trade. Now, this is all in the short to mid-term in terms of trading. Where I think Synapse can go in a true bull market is back up here towards $4. The high is over here at $4.52. I don't know if it makes a new all-time high, but my price prediction for SYN is going to be up here at $3.50 to $4 are safe conservative numbers for me in the full-blown bull market hysteria. For now, 80 cents, 81 cents, not bad at all. Ideally, we see 70 to 76 cents. But again, if you see the support level down here at 62 get retested, that's where I'm going to be a buyer 1000%. That's demand, okay? You want to buy in demand, sell in supply. Buy at the wholesale prices and then sell at the retail prices. 62 cents on SYN, that is wholesale. Even 70 cents is not bad at all, okay? That's kind of a deal as it stands right now with where I do think that it is going. So again, just to recap, gave you the entries. Targets from here, you have $1.04. You can also, if you want to hold out for more, you can hold out for $1.44 and then $1.80. But I would consider selling most of it just for a trade, right? You're just trying to make money on it. If that's your style of doing crypto, I'm a trader. I'm also an investor, but I'm also a trader. So if you are a trader like myself, then the $1.04 level, that's your main target on this one Synapse SYN. Hope you enjoyed the video. So in this video, we broke down Synapse SYN. We talked about what it is, what it does, and then we took a look at the price chart, and I gave you a clear outline trading plan. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.